Product vision provides a high-level overview for product development. It helps the product team to focus on one goal, establishing objectives and constraints. The product vision remains constant throughout the project and helps to guide the team along the path to implement it. Not to say that the product vision cannot be clarified along the way, but it doesn't change drastically. For example, if you are building an online store and in the middle you change it to be a blog, then most likely you will scrap the project and start from the beginning. The product vision also needs to align with business objectives and articulate business value, quality objectives, and business outcomes. If you are driving from one city to another, you may be bound by constraints such as having gas in the tank, speed limits, construction, and driving rules. There might be multiple vehicles to select from, say a bike or a car, an SUV or a truck. You may be able to get there via different paths such as highways or countryside roads. And so it is with product vision. It needs a goal and capabilities and end objectives clearly defined. Creating product vision. You may face a few scenarios. 1. Customer comes to your company with a clear product idea. Then your job is to understand the idea and communicate it clearly to your team. For example, my customer and friend Tom tells me, I want an app to build a grocery list based on the recipe. I don't need a desktop or web version. I want to have this on my Apple phone, and I want to share my recipes with my friends and family. Another possibility is that the customer only has a vision and they don't know exactly what they want. So the team's job becomes helping develop the product vision. For example, another customer, Jim, wants to build a game. He knows he loves shooting games, but doesn't know what it would be and whether or not it should be cross-platform or single-platform. In this case, you would invite the entire Agile team and the customer and start brainstorming sessions. For example, what features and capabilities should the product have? What value will it bring to the customer's business? Who is the end user of the product? While the product owner holds accountability for the product vision, it is theirs and they have the decision-making capability. The Agile team can participate in helping refine the product goals. Having an idea for a new product is great, but it is often not enough. You'll need to guide the customer to develop a product vision. To choose the right vision, ask your customer or yourself, why are you excited about this product? Why would the end user care about it? What positive change the product could bring? Is the product vision aligned with the values and vision of the organization? All of these things help to define and align a vision. You may have heard about the elevator statement before. Imagine Anna is sharing an elevator with the CEO of her company, and she has about 30 seconds before the elevator reaches their destination floor. So in these 30 seconds, she has an opportunity to inspire a CEO to consider her product. When preparing an elevator statement, make sure to include target customers and users, key benefits of the product, and the competitive advantage this product will bring. This table makes a good template for an elevator statement. For target customer, who needs something. The product name, is a product category, which, and the key benefits and reasons to buy, comparing to the competition. Our product is better because, whether using it to get a chance to impress the CEO or not. An elevator statement helps you articulate the key ideas to your team as well as to the bosses. It serves as a compass that you could check against when working on the product vision and developing a product roadmap and planning your scrums. Once you have your product vision and elevator test statement, now it is time to develop your product roadmap. A roadmap is a high-level visual summary that depicts the path that your product will follow over time. Product roadmaps encapsulate how the product vision becomes a reality. Here are the steps to build the product roadmap. Number 1, set some SMART goals. SMART being specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. 2, prioritize your strategic objectives and major capabilities. 3, Break the development cycles into sprints. 4. Gather the team and define the roles. 5. Monitor and update the roadmap. 6. Share your roadmap with stakeholders. 7. Adjust your plans. And it's always helpful to start with a template. Tips for building the roadmap might be focus on goals and outcomes. Do the necessary preparation work. Keep the roadmap simple. Add the deadlines. And make your roadmap measurable. Here's an example of a generic roadmap. Identification, evaluation, estimation, feasibility, execution. Define features, develop strategic UI, develop front end, develop back end, deploy. Another example might be a product that is recipe source, where recipes are shared, rewarded, generates income for the product owner. A roadmap for this might be a searchable collection of recipes, recipe categorization by meal type or diet or ethnicity, public membership, adware revenue, metrics and standard conversions, sharing recipes by members, multi-language, rewarding popular recipes, recipe book gift, member cooking clubs, etc. You can see how a product roadmap takes your vision and gives you direction and allows you to start moving together towards an end product.